Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Install or update Samsung Health and sign in with your Samsung account. Grant location, sensors, and storage permissions so steps and heart data record reliably. Make sure Bluetooth is on and battery is above 20% to pair devices without interruptions. Once done, open the app and tap the profile icon to begin. This first setup lets the app collect accurate baseline data and avoids missing measurements later. Next, set up your profile with age, height, weight, and dominant hand so calorie and distance estimates are accurate. Add devices like a Galaxy Watch or Bluetooth scale and enable auto-sync. Make sure each device shows as connected in settings so data flows continuously. Then customize activity goals, steps, calories, sleep time, and heart rate thresholds, because personalized targets keep tracking meaningful. Once configured, the app will merge sensor and manual entry. Finish by reviewing the dashboard and tapping each metric to confirm history and trends display correctly. Backup or export data in settings under Account and Backup so you won't lose records. Make sure automatic sync is enabled and wait a few minutes after connecting a device for data to appear. If measurements don't show, force sync the app, toggle Bluetooth, or restart your phone and wearable. This resolves most connection hiccups and gets tracking back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.